Close your eyes for a second. It's December 31st, 2026. You're sitting back and you're smiling because this year you actually did it. You became the person you always said you would be. That's not a fantasy. That's a decision. And it starts right here, right now. Step 1, kill the noise. Here's what's actually destroying your potential. And it's not laziness, it's not bad luck. It's the noise. Every single day you're being told who to be. By social media, by ads, by people around you. And slowly, without even realizing it, you stop listening to the one voice that actually matters, yours. I started blocking out 1 hour every day. No phone, no input, just me and a journal. At first it felt weird, almost uncomfortable. But that's when I heard myself clearly for the first time. Your challenge. Tomorrow, 1 hour. No distractions, just honest questions to yourself. That single habit will give you more clarity than 100 motivational videos. Step 2, pick one direction. Most people fail, not because they're not trying. They fail because they're trying everything at once. Fitness, money, business, relationships, all at the same time. Result? Zero progress, maximum burnout. Here's what I learned. Focus is the most underrated superpower. Pick one area. Go all in. Not a vague goal like get rich or get fit. Get specific. Get ruthless. Write down exactly where you want to be by December 31st, 2026. Then ask yourself, what does it feel like to be there? That feeling becomes your compass. Step 3, start before you're ready. I'll start when the time is right. That's the most expensive lie you tell yourself. When I first started building something of my own, my plan was messy, my confidence was shaky, and I had no idea what I was doing. But I started anyway, and that one decision changed everything. Action creates clarity. Waiting creates regret. Today, take one small step. Just one. Not perfect, not polished, just real. Step 4, show up when it's boring. You want to know the actual secret to success? It's not one big moment. It's the small, boring, unsexy habits you do every single day. Even when you don't feel like it. I didn't transform my life overnight. I committed to showing up consistently, even on the days I had zero motivation. And after a few months, the results were undeniable. Not just physically, mentally, professionally. Everything shifted. Break your big goal into one daily habit. Keep it simple. Keep it consistent. Don't chase perfection. Chase repetition. Step 5, upgrade your circle. Look at the 5 people you spend the most time with. Are they pulling you forward and are holding you back? A few years ago, I realized I was surrounded by people who weren't growing. They weren't bad people, but their energy was keeping me comfortable when I needed to be challenged. So I made a hard decision. I started seeking out people who were already where I wanted to be. And everything changed. Your environment is either your greatest asset or your greatest liability. Choose accordingly. So here's where it all comes together. 5 steps. No fluff. 1, kill the noise and reconnect with yourself. 2, pick one clear goal and go all in. 3, start before you feel ready. 4, build momentum through daily consistency. 5, surround yourself with people who push you. Now here's the truth. Reading this won't change your life. Acting on it will. So right now, pause this video. Write down your one goal for 2026. Then write down one action you'll take today. That's it. That's the beginning. If this hit home, like it, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more real strategies every week. Your best year isn't coming. It's waiting for you to choose it. Let's go.